welcome to my channel Promising Creations. In this channel I do upload sewing tutorials and pattern drafting once a week or twice a week. But in today's tutorials I'm going to teach you how to cut a peplum handkerchief. Please do watch at the end of the video. Those that are subscribing to my channel, I appreciate you all. And if you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Feel at home. Do hit the red button and the notification bell so that I notify whenever I upload. Let's start. We are going to use this fabric here. It's 1 meter fabric. So I'm going to fold it considering the length of my peplum and the radius of my waist. The radius of my waist is 4.5 inches, which is the waist is 28 inches. The radius of my peplum is my round waist plus zipper allowance divided by 6.28. My round waist is 28 inches, then plus 4 inches for zipper allowance, in all is 32 inches. Divide by 6.28 will give us 5.0 inches. Then the 5.0 inches, I'm going to go up by ½ inch for joining allowance to the upper bodies. That's how I'm going to fold it, 2 equal parts. First of all, I have to measure this way, and we're going to also fold. The length of my handkerchief peplum is going to be 13 inches. Then I'm going to fold it into 2 equal parts. You have to measure here. It gives me more than 13 inches. Here gave me more than 13 inches. Now we're going to mark it. In all, both the radius and the peplum gave 13 inches. You're not going to take it round, you take it square. Also this way, we're going to get 13 inches downward. Making sure both the width and the length, they must be equal. Here is 13 inches. Right this way. Then I'm going to cut now. Now we are going to take the radius, which is 4.5 inches. I'm going to take it this way. I'm going to take it this way. To take it this way. then connect. You connect it, then I'm going to cut it off now. This is how it will look like, this way. Then you open it up this way. Open it up this way, then you fold to this end. Making sure that everything is equal. This is the waist measurement, this is the handkerchief, this is how it's going to be. This is how it's going to be. This is how it will be. And for the zipper allowance, this is how it's going to be. Enough for you to get your handkerchief peplum. Then for the zipper allowance, you are going to get the midpoint here. You split it here. Split it to this way, this way. This is the midpoint here. To be accurate, this is the midpoint. You measure round so that you don't miss any point. You measure the waist measurement. You take the waist measurement round, which is 15 inches. Then 15 inches, then you also come back. You get the 7.5 inches, which is the half of 15. Then you split it this way. Then you cut. Here is the zip part. This is how it's going to be. And when you, this is where your zip will be. The place that you split into two is where your zip will lie. Here is the zipper allowance. If you are taking, like, let's be accurate now. Let's keep it this way and take our waist measurement accurately so that we'll know where our zip, how many inches is our zipper allowance. We need to take care. The waist is 28 divided by 2 will give us 14 inches because it's folded into 2. Here is the 14 inches. You mark this way. Then the remaining 1 inch is your zipper allowance. But in this case now, we're still going to attach it. When you attach it to the upper bodies, then you're going to use 1/2 inch to attach it to the upper bodies. When you attach it with the upper bodies, it will come down. When it comes down by 1/2 inch, your zipper allowance is going to arrive at 2 inches, no longer 1 inch. Because why I did this first is to tell you that we going up, it reduce. Then when you join it together, it will come back to the 28 inches and 2 inches zipper allowance. Thank you for watching. Please do give it a trial, and God bless you all. Bye.